Hello then, let's take a look at the weather story across North America. Heat very much a feature and still the risk of some sharp thundery downpours. We've got this area of low pressure bringing some rain into British Columbia, and as that low drifts its way steadily eastwards, it's going to bring some wet weather across the Great Lakes over into northeast Canada. Behind it will introduce some slightly cooler conditions. Few sharp showers stretching out of the Great Lakes, some heavier showers down through parts of Georgia into Florida as well. Behind it we've got heat very much across parts of Texas, and along that west coast, well, it's likely that we'll continue to see some sharper showers through British Columbia. Slow improvement over the next day or so as those showers move across the Rockies, fine and quiet down through northern California and across towards parts of Arizona and Nevada. Let's take a look at the story then as we move into the early part of the week ahead. Phoenix, Arizona still seeing triple-digit temperatures, a lot of sunshine for Los Angeles as well. Let's take a look at that eastern seaboard. Largely fine and quiet here. Most of the action behind my head stretching across the northern plains over into the Great Lakes. There will be a few scattered sharp, possibly torrential downpours down to the south of Georgia and into Florida as we move out of Sunday. Looking further ahead, it looks somewhat like this though. An improving picture through Nashville, Tennessee and Miami. Few showers on Monday. Hello there. Let's take a look at the weather story for South America. Plenty to talk about at the moment. We've got some heavy rain across parts of Venezuela over towards French Guiana and perhaps across West Colombia, but large swathe of dry weather across the bulk of Brazil, down through Paraguay, Uruguay and northern Argentina. Warming up here over the next few days, but this weather front that's just starting to show its hand off the west coast of Chile will gradually move in, and it's going to introduce something cooler, wetter and also windier as well. Gusts of winds 50-60 mile an hour to the tops of higher ground. So there are those sharper showers, also showing this huge area of dry, settled weather stretching all the way down into Argentina. As I say, temperatures will climb for a while. A little bit further south, it's on the cooler and windier side already. So this is the story then. Buenos Aires will see that rain moving through, and some of it could be quite heavy, perhaps from Tuesday. Into Mexico, we'll have some sharper showers here, a few around the Yucatan Peninsula. Not looking too bad further south. There will be some heavier rain through Costa Rica and Panama. And this is Hurricane Erin, expected to continue to track in a northwesterly direction, quite a strong, intense hurricane, and moving potentially towards the islands of Turks and Caicos. Now, the next few days, it is going to stay pretty unsettled with just Havana, Cuba, staying dry.